How to log into your Kwik Trip credit card account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to log in or sign into your Kwik Trip credit card account online, here's what you need to do. So first thing, just open up any web browser and just search in for Kwik Trip credit card login just like this as I've done over here. And you can basically choose the first link which appears over here, which is the official website of Kwik Trip. And for some reason the website is currently not working, so I'll simply show you from an example. And once you head over to the following link, which I just described, you can basically see these two options, that is login or sign up. So if you already have an account, you can always go for login, which we are doing, and you can just click on sign up if you haven't registered yet for the account on Kwik Trip Credit Card. So just tap on login button over here, and you should be redirected to this page where you can simply enter your registered email address as well as your password. And if you like your browser to remember your login credentials, you can always tap on this or check on this box as well. And once you do all of that, just tap on login button to successfully log into your Kwik Trip credit card account online. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.